Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Instinct 2 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Instinct 2. So there's a couple reasons you might want to go in and toggle on or off the heart rate monitor on your watch. Maybe for some reason it's not working, it was accidentally turned off, so you want to be able to turn it back on. Turning it off is a good way to conserve battery life, so if you're not really using that data, if you turn it off, you will get more battery life out of your Garmin Instinct 2. And then additionally, you might have issues where this is causing a lot of light and you just want to turn that off just so you no longer have that light. All right, so to turn on or off the heart rate monitor on our Garmin Instinct 2, the first thing we need to do is open the menu, and we do that by holding down the menu button. Once the menu's open, simply scroll down using the down button until we see Health and Wellness. Use the GPS button to select that, and then we just want to select heart rate at the top. As you can see, the status is auto. That's when it's on. So if we want to turn it off, we just have to select that. It'll give us a quick warning that disabling the heart rate sensor will turn off body battery and stress, different things like that. So you can read through here, but all we need to do is hit the back button, and there you go, it will turn off. So now the heart rate monitor has been turned off on my Garmin Instinct 2. If you go into the heart rate settings and you notice that it is off, to turn it on, all you need to do is select it, and then once you see auto, the heart rate sensor is on. All right, so that's how you turn off the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Instinct 2. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Instinct 2 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.